Adana has many areas where you can camp due to its green nature, valleys and canyons. Instead of choosing between nature or sea camping, you can camp where both are combined. These camping places have many advantages and disadvantages. We have compiled information for you about areas where you can stay in different ways, such as free camping areas, tents and caravans. You can find answers to many questions such as where these camping areas are, how to get there, entrance fees and camping activities. You can also support us by subscribing to our channel. Körkün Canyon Camping Area. Körkün Canyon, which stands out among Adana's free camping areas. This place, which nature photographers will simply love with its peace, tranquility and magnificent nature, offers the opportunity to take beautiful photographs. With the diversity of vegetation, the canyon is a place where you can see every shade of green. Körkün Canyon, 61 kilometers away from the city center, is located in Karaysali district and is a suitable place for hiking activities. It is possible to cool off in the clear water of this place, which has magnificent trees, on the banks of a clean stream and where you can listen to the chirping of birds. It is ideal for camping with a tent, and since there is no electricity, toilet, shower or market in the region, it is important to purchase it before you arrive. Since it is a region of Adana that has not yet been discovered by many people, it is generally quiet and calm. Yerköprü Canyon Camping Area. Yerköprü Canyon, one of the areas where you can camp for free, is 10 kilometers away from Karaysali district of Adana. With its nature and geographical conditions, the Yerköprü Canyon offers a peaceful environment with its small waterfalls and rich vegetation, where there are generally stony areas, and the stream flowing in the canyon draws you into peace with the forests around it and its clean air. It is a great place for camping with your tent, hiking and picnicking. In the area where lighting fires is allowed, there are no toilets, fountains and markets as there are no facilities, so it would be beneficial to meet these needs in the district before you come. You also have the chance to use public transportation to the district. Belemedik Nature Park Camping Area. Belemedik Nature Park, located in Pozanti district of Adana, is suitable for tent camping and caravan camping. You can also have a picnic in Belemedik Nature Park, which has only toilets. There are restaurants within the nature park area. It is forbidden to light a fire on the ground in the nature park, but you can do activities such as trekking, photography, sports activities, cycling tours and landscape viewing. In addition, the Adana-Ankara Railway passes through the nature park area. If you wish, you can reach it by train. You can go to Belemedik train station and take photographs of the railway and the train. Even if we consider this camping area as a free camping area, you can use the tent and caravan parking area for a very minimum entrance fee. It would not be wrong to say that the most important feature of Belemedik Nature Park is that it is an untouched place. So much so that the structures and cemeteries built by the Germans during World War I have survived to this day. It is a region in the middle of nature with plenty of trees. You will appreciate that it is quite difficult to find such a shaded area in Adana. For this reason, you can come here and cool off even in the hottest periods of Adana. It also has a very beautiful and peaceful stream. Belemedik Çakıt Valley. We would like to remind you that Çakıt Valley camping area is only suitable for those who want to do professional camping, as it has difficult terrain and difficult climatic conditions, especially in winter. Therefore, unfortunately, it will not be a good choice for first-time campers and families with children. It offers a magnificent beauty with its stream in the middle of its green nature. If nature walks are among the camping activities, you should be ready to explore here. There is no facility in this place where setting up a tent is free. Dokuzoluk Canyon Camping Area. The Dokuzoluk Canyon camping area located in Karaysali, Adana is suitable for tent camping. Photography, trekking and landscape viewing activities can be carried out in the canyon, which does not have any facilities. Lighting a fire is allowed as long as it is controlled. There are also toilet and fountain facilities. Since there is no electricity, you can choose a headlamp or flashlight. This region, located close to Mırkızbastı village, it contains facilities such as fountains, sinks, and gazebos. You can meet your food and beverage needs in Mırkızbastı village. It is only 1.5 kilometers from the canyon and there is no public transportation. In this area, which is a wonder of nature, you can find dozens of plant species together and enjoy being in touch with nature. This canyon, which is within the borders of Karaysalı district, is preferred by people who come for a day trip on the weekends. Therefore, it is recommended for people who want tranquility to camp on weekdays. Kapıkaya Canyon Camping Area. When it comes to nature activities, Karaysalı district comes first. Kapıkaya Canyon, which has hundreds of types of plants, is located in Karaysalı district, approximately 6 kilometers away from the town center. You can go to the canyon by using a private vehicle or on foot. There is a 7,250-meter long hiking trail in the canyon. Since the ground is stony, you should be careful when setting up a tent. There is also a bicycle path for your cycling trips. Hundreds of plants such as plane trees, oaks, oleanders and red pine trees color the canyon. There is a small facility at the entrance where you can drink tea, eat something and meet your needs such as the toilet. This canyon, which is among the best camping areas in Adana, is untouched. Bahçecik Picnic and Camping Area. Located in Karaysalı, which is rich in natural beauties, Bahçecik is a 10-minute walk from Kapıkaya Canyon. It is a place that has remained untouched and has never spoiled its beauty because it is not well known by the public. Bahçecik Waterfall, flowing from a distance of 20 meters, offers a wonderful view. There is fresh air, waterfall view and a recreation area built into various trees, and a beautiful area has been built for municipality tents and picnic tables. There are camping facilities and hiking trails. There are no facilities such as sink, shower, fountain and electricity. You must obtain your food and beverage needs before arriving at the campsite. Örcün Camping Area. Örcün Camping Area is located 20 kilometers from Adana city center. This camping area is located near the stream between Ceyhan and Catalan Dam. It is also a unique environment for those who want to camp, with its rich forest view and a calm and peaceful environment. You can spend peaceful and enjoyable days in the camping area by the stream. There is no sink, market or electricity in the area. Before going here, you need to eliminate all your deficiencies. Yumurtalık Municipality Youth Camping Area. Located 1 hour away from the city center, Yumurtalık Municipality Youth Camp is by the beach. You can easily reach it by public transportation. There are barracks and tent areas in the area and it is free to use the camping area. Located on the coast of Yumurtalık district, this place has tent areas and barracks. There are places in the camping area where needs such as food, water and a sink can be met. But the area is extremely neglected. Let's say it from the beginning, be prepared to encounter a bad surprise when you go. Çukurova University Camping Area. The camping area in Yumurtalık belongs to Çukurova University. It is a deserted and quiet place where you can go by public transportation. It can be an alternative for those looking for tranquility. You can light a fire here and camp on the beach. It is also a suitable area for a day's swimming and a picnic. It would be a good idea to meet your needs such as shopping and toilet before arriving. It is within walking distance to the beach and has sink and sea facilities. There are no fountains, showers or electricity. You must provide your food and beverage needs before coming to the camping area. There are no facilities in the camping area. Cup Waterfall Camping Area. The coolness of the water of the small lake, formed by waterfalls falling from meters high, almost brings people to their senses when they enter. With its magnificent view and clean air, It offers peace and tranquility for those who want to camp in Adana. You can easily set up your tent in this area, where there is no fee for camping, and get rid of all the stress of the year. Cup Waterfalls, located in Aladag district, isolates you from city life with its fascinating beauties and rich wildlife. This place, which is very suitable for activities such as walking and swimming, fascinates with its forests that change in different colors in 4 seasons. Since the camping area is natural, there are no camping opportunities. Also, there is no market or restaurant around it. Therefore, be sure to do your shopping and prepare your camping equipment before going to the camping area. Karboğazı Camping Area. In Adana's Karboğazı, which is cold even on hot summer days, snow can be seen on the ground even in the summer months. It takes its name from this feature. It will be useful to use an off-road vehicle when going to Karboğazı, which is a rugged terrain. We should point out that caravan camping in Karboğazı is difficult. You may have difficulty due to the bad road. Let us point out that there are no facilities such as toilets, markets and showers in the Karboğazı camping area, and you will only spend time alone with nature among the mountains. Therefore, do not go without buying food, equipment and various basic needs. Zeytinbeli BEACH. Zeytinbeli BEACH is a free beach located within the borders of Adana province and Yumurtalık district. It is 4 kilometers away from the center of the district to which it is located. There is no blue flag. Entrance to Zeytinbeli BEACH is free. You can camp on the beach. You can fish if you bring your equipment. Showers and toilets are available. Parking is available. Ceyhan Kırmıtlı Bird Sanctuary. As a place that truly shows that the paradise in its name is true, Kırmıtlı Bird Sanctuary soothes the souls of its visitors with its wonderful nature. It is a place where you can see bird species and leave yourself in the arms of peace with your tent by the flowing water. There is no fee to set up a tent in this area, which will have an important place among your memories with its view like a painting. We have come to the end of our Adana free camping areas list for now. You can share your caravan or tent camping areas in Adana with us in the comments section. You can also thank us by subscribing to our channel. We hope you have a nice camp and have fun.